Hey subscribers, good morning. It's now 9:48 a.m. May 13, Thursday. And for today's video, I know it's been a long time since my last vlog, but if you guys have been following me on TikTok, you guys know that I colored my hair. I dyed my hair light blonde and this is how it turned out. So I'm just gonna insert the TikTok video right here in 3, 2, 1.
Apparently this filter wants to make you go blonde.
Okay, so now that you saw my TikTok video, what do you guys think? Comment down below if bagay ba yung hair ko sa akin versus nung dark hair pa ako, yung dark brown. And oh my gosh, it's really been a long time since nag-vlog ako. Kasi super busy talaga. Nag-ano kasi ako guys. Wait lang. First of all, if you guys didn't know din, nag-working student ako sa isang intern company that is based in New Zealand. So, super busy ko. And then, meron na din akong parang like, new na sideline-ish, which is the BIgo. It's a BIgo app. If you guys have BIgo, you can follow me there. And if you don't, you can download the BIgo app from App Store or Play Store. My BIgo ID is Skye Zhia. Ang haggard ko, shit. Wala pa akong ligo. Kakatapos ko lang mag-almusal. I'm not sure if meron kaming pasok today kasi meron akong nabasa na holiday daw today. But if ever meron, for sure I'll update you guys. But, yeah. Siguro maliligo lang muna ako or something. Oo, maliligo ako kasi magfe-film ako for Skyepify and, oh, wait. I'm gonna show this to you since I recently got this from Teami and nabuksan ko na siya. Nagbubukas kasi ako ng mga packages, guys. Hindi ko siya naho-haul kasi super na-excite talaga ako magbukas ng packages. Wait lang kasi dalawa to. These are the Teami Mix-It Portable Blender. I got it in the color white and black and also pink. Tcharam! I love this blender because it's portable and wireless. You can bring it literally everywhere. Tapos, madali lang din siyang hugasan and madali din siyang gamitin. Super easy to use. Hindi ko pa ito nabubuksan actually and hindi ko pa siya nagagamit. Only yung pink. Nagamit ko na tong pink. Gumawa ako ng mga Teami greens, mga smoothies, shake. Like, ang dami talagang nagagawa ng blender na to. So, I super love this. I'm gonna show you later kung paano ko siya gawin sa blender na to. Yung drinks na iniinom ko. Para maging, you know, healthy. To have a healthy lifestyle na. Hi guys! Today is May 15, 7:40 a.m. And this is my part 2 introduction already. Kasi hindi ko nagawa yung vlog na yon. Like, na-fail siya. Hindi ko natapos. But, I will try again today. For sure. Tatapusin ko lang talaga to. I will try my best. Kasi that day, na-busy lang ako. But, today, I will vlog all the happenings in my life. Kasi today, magpapa-vaccine si mommy. Prioritize kasi nila yung senior citizen. Kaya siya lang yung magpapa-vaccine. Tapos, to follow na lang ako since hindi naman ako priority and hindi ako senior citizen. And then today, meron kaming biniling smart TV kahapon. Tapos ngayon pala siya madideliver kasi kahapon umulan siya, like heavy rain. So hindi siya pwedeng madeliver. So today na lang. And I will unbox it with you guys. The second thing that excites me today is the aircon. Malalagyan na to ng aircon yung room na to. Finally, Ariel happened to me. Hinatid ko siya ng 7:30 tapos magsa-start yung parang vaccine 8 a.m. So, umuwi ako para kumain ng breakfast kasi si Bom, tapos na siya mag-breakfast. Tapos magpapakain ako ng dogs, magsasampay ako. Basta marami akong gagawin today. So, you guys should stay there until the end of this vlog. And don't skip ads, guys. Please, don't skip ads. Okay, it's time to eat! But before that, magla-live muna ako sa BIgo para makunan yung, yung antaw dito, yung hours ko. Kasi sa BIgo kasi guys, meron kaming hours, parang quota. Dapat sa isang month, maka 40 hours ka na naka-live. One day, you should go live kahit 1 hour lang. Tapos, maximum of 3 hours. So, sa isang araw, hindi mo siya mabubuong live talaga na 40 hours or 24 hours straight kasi 3 hours lang yung nire-record ni BIgo. While I'm eating, I'm doing live, tapos I'm vlogging pa, diba? Hitting 2 birds with 1 stone. Hitting 3 birds with 1 stone. Tapos, kaghapon pala, first OPK ko and then nanalo tayo. So, I will insert the pictures right here. Grabe, hindi ko in-expect talaga. Ito yung BIgo ko, nagla-live ako today. So, yung mga aso ko naman yung papakainin ko. Ito yung, pinapakain namin sa aso namin. It's a generic brand lang, actually. This is a breeder's choice for adult dog food. They're super hungry na, I'm sure. This one. Since they are 3, meron 3 plates. Actually, naririnig na nila yung tunog ng kampana. Quiet, please! Someone's vlogging! And then guys, after this one, meron tayong ilalagay na parang beef something. And after that, imimix mo lang siya ng gano'n. Ano kaya yung taste ng Anong taste ng dog food? Hindi ko din alam eh. Gusto kong tikman pero wala pang akong guts to do that. Time to eat, guys! Eat. Hi! Say hi! Buko juice. Aabangan niya daw sa vlog to. So, guys, dapat ma-edit talaga tong vlog na to because the pressure is real. Ang dami-dami ng taong nakikita dito. So, dapat talaga to ma-push through and ma-edit tong vlog na to. So, got home from Watson's. Bumili ako ng mga kailangan ni mom na medicine kasi nagpa-vaccine nga siya, 'di ba? And then tumaas daw kasi yung BP niya. So, binigyan siya ng doctor ng pangpababa ng BP and binili ko siya sa Watson's. Tapos katabi ng Watson's, merong Sando box. Tapos ito siya. This is how it looks like. Super yummy. I have good news. Kasi dumating na yung TV. Tara! Hi guys! I just got home. Welcome home to me. Okay, so pinick up ko lang yung aircon namin. Yung aircon at saka yung TV. Andito na din. Mag-unboxing tayo mamaya. Ngayon palang makikita ni mom yung aircon. Actually, nakita niya sa store. Pero ngayon palang niya magkita.
Could be weird, but I think I'm into it. You know I'm one for the overly passionate. I like you and I loved him. We could all be the best kind of friends.